Remember when laptops were just clunky boxes? Those days are long gone. The tech world is bursting with innovation, and laptops are leading the charge. One device that perfectly embodies this evolution is the HP Spectre x360. This laptop isn't just about looking good, though it definitely does that too. It's about packing power and functionality into a sleek and stylish package. Think of it as the superhero of laptops, ready to tackle anything you throw at it, all while looking effortlessly cool. Stick around as we delve deeper into what makes this laptop a true game changer. Let's be honest, looks matter, and the HP Spectre x360 is a certified head-turner. The Spectre x360 boasts a precision-crafted aluminum chassis that exudes elegance. The iconic gem-cut design, a signature of the Spectre line, adds a touch of luxury and sophistication. But it's not just about looking pretty. The sturdy build quality means this laptop can handle the bumps and grinds of everyday life. Open the lid, and you'll be greeted by a stunning display that's practically begging to be touched. The nearly bezel-less screen draws you into a world of vibrant colors and sharp details. From the moment you lay eyes on the Spectre x360, you can tell that this is a premium device designed for discerning users who appreciate the finer things in life. Okay, we've established that the Spectre x360 is easy on the eyes. But how does it perform when it's time to get down to business? In a word, flawlessly. This laptop packs some serious horsepower under the hood, ready to tackle even the most demanding tasks. With the latest Intel processors and a generous helping of RAM, the Spectre x360 laughs in the face of multitasking. Seamlessly switch between demanding applications, browse the web with dozens of tabs open, and even indulge in some light gaming. The Spectre x360 takes it all in stride. The fast SSD ensures lightning-fast boot times and snappy application loading. And with Wi-Fi 6 on board, you can enjoy blazing-fast internet speeds for seamless streaming and downloading. Whether you're a creative professional editing photos and videos, a student juggling multiple projects, or just someone who demands the best, the Spectre x360 delivers. Of course, a laptop is only as good as the experience it offers. And in this department, the Spectre x360 truly shines. The 360-degree hinge is smooth as silk, allowing you to effortlessly switch between laptop, tablet, tent, and stand modes. The touchscreen is incredibly responsive, making it a breeze to navigate Windows 11 with your fingers. And for those who prefer a more traditional input method, the keyboard and touchpad are among the best in the business, like the fingerprint reader that lets you log in with a single touch, or the webcam kill switch that gives you peace of mind, knowing your privacy is protected. The Spectre x360 isn't just a laptop, it's a companion that seamlessly integrates into your life. The premium laptop market is a crowded one with no shortage of excellent options. So, how does the HP Spectre x360 stack up against the competition? Quite well, thank you very much. While rivals like the Dell XPS 13 and the MacBook Air offer their own unique strengths, the Spectre x360 manages to hold its own with a winning combination of style, performance, and user experience. The Dell XPS 13, for example, is known for its incredibly compact design and stunning display. But the Spectre x360 counters with its 2-in-1 functionality and longer battery life. The MacBook Air, on the other hand, boasts Apple's legendary ecosystem integration and impressive performance. However, the Spectre x360 offers greater versatility with its touchscreen display and 360-degree hinge. It's a laptop that's equally at home in a boardroom, a coffee shop, or on your lap while you're curled up on the couch. The HP Spectre x360 is more than just a laptop, it's a statement. It's a statement that says, you appreciate the finer things in life without sacrificing performance or functionality. So who is the Spectre x360 for? It's for the creative professional who needs a powerful and portable machine to bring their visions to life. It's for the busy student who needs a reliable companion to help them power through their studies. And it's for anyone who wants a laptop that looks as good as it performs. If you're tired of boring, uninspired laptops, the Spectre x360 is the breath of fresh air you've been waiting for. In a world of compromises, the HP Spectre x36014 refuses to compromise.